I mean, yeah, you're just my person. Like, I mean, the little moments that make me confident is when we start saying the things that each other like used to get annoyed by. Like when you do like funny, silly voices to me and I get so frustrated. And then now I'm the one doing the voices and I'm just like, oh gosh, like we really have rubbed off on each other. So I think those little moments are what make me or just remind me that I'm like, wow, we know each other so well.
I could never have even dreamt of a life like the one we have built together. I vow to love you with everything I have to offer, for now and forever. I'll never forget that this is a once-in-a-lifetime love, and I'll choose you every day for all the rest of my days. I vow to always love you, 10 out of 10.
I love the beautiful life we're building together. And when I think of your love, it's not the big moments that stand out, but the small, everyday gestures. The cup of espresso you make for me in the morning, the love and affection you show our corgi, Winnie, the thoughtful birthday and anniversary cards you always write, agreeing to watch I Love You Man with me for the 100th time.
Just that whole movie.
Yes, epic movie.
See you later, Jobin.
Okay, cut.